Kia ora and welcome to our whānau vlog.
Follow us on our journey and what we get up to, and let us introduce you to the whānau.
Hey.
Tawhiti, aka Taff, aka Mini Taff, aka Brara, aka Taffy.
They can different.
Three things about Tawhiti. One, he's just turned 17. He goes to a boarding school called Hatapaora. Two, he's been real sick lately, and this vlog's really about him getting to where he needs to be. So that's number three, really, is he's on a journey to Hauora, and we're here to kind of vlog it.
Kia ora, I am introducing my mother, Kara. It's actually presented now as Kara.
My skin feels awesome, but the shine.
First thing, she is 38. Old. Second thing, she is working that I can't say. She's helping people, I'll say that. Thirdly, she's going to be the main person helping me throughout this journey of the vlog.
Alright, let us introduce you to the rest of the whānau. So we have Hamohuna, who is Papa, Dad.
Three things about him. You're 38, he is 44. He's an old man, just as old as my mother. 6 years apart doesn't mean nothing. It's all about the love.
He went to Hatapaora as well. So the boys are following on in his footsteps.
Yep. And thirdly,
he
won't really be on this.
Nah, he's not really into it. But he is a sports fanatic.
Yes.
He's like natural stats man. He loves watching sports, all sports.
He would have been my main supporter if I wasn't sick. I would have been playing for the mana too.
But yeah, nah, Dad's number one sports guy. Then we have Patariki. And he's our second born, our youngest son. And he's just started at Hatapaora and he's 13.
Yeah, he will be on the vlogs.
He's a bit of a gamer.
Camera shy.
And he's shy, yeah.
And he's picky, you'll see that.
And he's cheeky. And then we have the princess, who's 9, Makere. Miss Makere is away on holiday at the moment, but she loves lots of like boppets. And
Picky though. Picky.
very flexible.
Diva. Attitude. Spoiled.
But that's the rest of our immediate whānau and our 2 dogs.
Very, very loud.
Chewie and
Yeah.
Ray Ray, aka Chewbacca and Ray Skywalker.
Well, don't disrespect the Star Wars characters like that.
That's what they're called though.
We only called him that because we were going to get a different dog at first, but he was unfortunately taken by different owners. And that dog looked exactly like Chewbacca. I did not want to name this white dog Chewie because it looks nothing like it. But it was officially...
They actually look like Ewoks, to be fair. They're multi-Shih Tzus.
You know what an Ewok is?
Bro, I've watched these like Star Wars videos. I've even watched Star
yeah,
Trek,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
I know they're very different, but I've watched both of them. So yeah, that makes our whānau of 7.
5.
Obviously not a lover of the kuri. What's unique about our whānau, apart from dramas with the kuri, is we're a Māori whānau that live in urban city. Our kids were raised with te reo Māori.
Actually, it was just me and Patariki. My sister was raised on English as well. We speak a lot of English nowadays.
Yeah, we're very much bilingual whare. Both Hammer and I work hearty hours full time for public service, and our 2 boys who aren't usually at home are at boarding school, and then our little girl goes to school here in Wellington. So
No, it's funny.
yeah,
She's going to get a choice at college.
that can be another vlog for another day. But let's just recap. So of why we're doing this vlog. we'll give you a little snippet
You'll
of
see
what's
more when
come.
we eat our ramen.
Yeah, but we'll play with a video for you to kind of show you how far Tawhiti's come to date with being his Māui witanga.
Yeah.
All right, we'll catch you at the next vlog. Hey,